Hello one and all. Today once more I am going to discuss the remaining part of differential calculus starting from exercise 2b now. Up to question number 11 I have discussed. Now it's time to share question number 12 of 2b exercise. These problems are collected from the examples of the 2b exercise. So just see d by dx of root 3x. Root 3x. Now students just know d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. But in place of x, sin 3x has been written. So d by dx of root fx. This is 1 by 2 root fx into d by dx of fx. So follow this d by dx of fx. This is your fx. So according to this, 1 by 2 root fx, 1 by 2 root fx, fx is sin 3x, sin 3x into d by dx of again fx. So this is fx is sin 3x. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 root sin 3x into, now sin, just see sin x is cos x, but sin of fx is cos fx into d by dx of fx. So here fx is 3x. fx is 3x. So write sin 3x. So sin fx becomes cos fx. So this is cos 3x into once more d by dx of 3x. This 3x once more differentiated. Now the final answer is 1 by 2 root sin 3x into cos 3x into the 3 is taken outside. So this is d by dx of x. So this will be 1. So your final answer is 3 cos 3x by 2 root sin 3x. So this is your final answer. Sin 3x, root sin 3x is this. Now e to the power root x. E to the power x is equal to e to the power x, but e to the power fx is e to the power fx into d by dx of fx. So this is your fx. Now see, e to the power fx is e to the power fx itself. So this is e to the power root x into d by dx of this fx once more, and root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x directly. So this is e to the power root x into 1 by 2 root x. So finally, e to the power root x by 2 root x, this is your answer. Now moving towards another problem. So e to the power x square 14 number d by dx of e to the power x square. Again the same formula will come in action. E to the power fx. This is your fx. So according to this formula, e to the power fx, e to the power x square into d by dx of this fx. fx is x square. So this fx. So e to the power x square, and you know that d by dx of x square is 2x. So your final answer is 2x e to the power x square. Answer. Now moving towards another 15 number, d by dx of e to the power sin x. Now students, again the same formula will come in action. E to the power fx, this is your fx. So this is e to the power fx itself into d by dx of this sin x, and d by dx of sin x is cos x. So this is e to the power sin x into cos x. Again moving towards another problem, let me select 16 number root sin x. 16 number d by dx of root sin x. Now again this formula will come in action, but in place of x we have got fx. This is your fx. fx is this root fx, 1 by 2 root fx. 1 by 2 root fx is sin x into d by dx of this sin x. this is 1 by 2 root sin x, and sin x is cos x, d by dx of sin x is cos x, so this is your final answer, cos x by 2 root sin x. Answer. Now moving towards another problem, problem number 17. Let me select first, yes, 17, d by dx of sin root x. Now the students just follow this formula, sin fx, this is your fx, sin fx, so sin fx is equal to cos fx, so this is cos root x into d by dx of root x, and d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x, so this is cos root x into 1 by 2 root x, so this is your final answer, cos root x by 2 root x. Answer. Now moving towards 18 number question. 18 number question, sin square x d by dx of sin square x. The difficulty level of this question is slightly higher, so remember it. So this can be written as d by dx of sin x whole square. Now we have got the formula for d by dx of xn. This is nx n minus 1. So remember this. According to this pattern, d by dx of fx to the power n. So this is n fx n minus 1 into d by dx of fx. Now we have to follow this formula. fx is sin x. So this is 2 sin x 2 minus 1 into d by dx of sin x. So this is 2 sin x to the power 1 into sin x, the differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is 2 sin x cos x. Similarly, we can do for other powers. Now let me select one more question. Sin x square, 19th number, d by dx of sin x square. The student, we select this formula, sin of fx. This is your fx. So sin fx is equal to, now this formula is not acting, so let it be removed. So sin fx is cos fx. This is cos x square into d by dx of this fx. And differentiation of x square is 2x. Many times I taught you, this is 2x. So 2x cos x square is the answer. Now let us select xex number 20. 20 number, d by dx of xex. The students, u into v form is here. I have taught you that d by dx of uv equal to u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. This is replaced here. So first function and second function, these are the two functions. So let us start first, d by dx of second plus second d by dx of first. Now this is x. And differentiation of ex is ex itself. So this is ex plus ex, and this is 1. So you can take ex common. So this is x plus 1. The answer is successful. Now moving towards another problem. Let us start from exercise 2b now. Now exercise 2b, original exercise, I am going to start. Original exercise I am going to start. So starting directly from question number, let us start with 2 initially. 2 x square plus d by x. 2 number, d by dx of x square plus b by x. Now this is equal to normal rule, distributive law over addition. D by dx of x square plus d by dx of b by x. Now the constant is taken outside. This constant is also taken outside. So this is 8 times d by dx of x square plus b times d by dx of x. Now this is 1. So b into 1 and a into the differentiation of x square is 2x, you know. So this is your final answer, 2ax plus b. Answer. But sorry student, this is 1 by x. This is 1 by x. So d by dx of 1 by x, one more formula you are supposed to know. D by dx of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Remember it directly, it will help you a lot. Minus 1 by x square. So minus b by x square answer. Starting from another question, let us start number 11, 1 by 2x plus 3. D by dx of 1 by root 2x plus 3. Now this is only for root x student, but d by dx of root x, 1 by root x. Remember this, ready-made, remember I have suggested you, this is minus 1 by 2x root x. But if this is fx, d by dx of 1 by root fx, this is equal to minus 1 by 2fx root fx into d by dx of fx. Now follow this, fx is this 1 by root fx, 1 by root of fx, so this is minus 1 by 2fx, fx is 2x plus 3 and root fx, root 2x plus 3 into d by dx of this selected fx, 2x plus 3. After that you know, this is over now. So this is minus 1 by 2x plus 3, root 2x plus 3 into d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3. So this is as usual into 2 outside, d by dx of x plus 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. So this is 2, simply 2 into 1. So the final answer is minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3 root 2x plus 3. Multiply these 2 cancel and the remaining is the answer. And all other questions I have discussed already, no need to discuss more questions from this to B exercise. Now coming to 2C exercise, to exercise 2C. This is exercise 2C now, where only formula d by dx of u into v barabar u d by dx of v plus b d by dx of u. So from this formula the entire problem of exercise 2C will be done. So let us start directly from 6th number, x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 1 multiply sin x. So one is u, other is v. So uv pattern. So this is x square plus 3x plus 1 into d by dx of sin x plus sin x d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 1. Now this is x square plus 3x plus 1 and sin x is cos x, you already know, cos x plus sin x. Now this d by dx is distributed over this. So d by dx of x square plus 3d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1. 3 is taken outside from differentiation. So this is as usual plus sin x into x square is 2x plus 3 plus 0. So this is your final answer. So all the problems of this exercise can be successfully done by using this. No need to give extra attention on this exercise. All the problems can be done. Let me still take one more question. 11th number. tan x plus sec x, d by dx of tan x plus sec x into cot x plus cosec x. Again we follow this instruction, so this is equal to tan x plus sec x into d by dx of cot x plus cosec x plus now this v is बार ये बाहर cot x plus cosec x into d by dx of this tan x plus sec x. Now our final answer is tan x plus sec x into cot x. The differentiation of cot x is directly available in the formula minus cosec square x plus, and cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. So this is minus cosec x into cot x plus cot x plus cosec x into the differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. You can re-simplify this by taking common, and you can move ahead at your own cost, no harm. And the last problem of 2C exercise is very short exercise, x square cos x minus 2 to the power x tan x d by dx of x square cos x minus 2 to the power x tan x. Again there are two problems, uv and uv. This is also uv, this is also uv. So be alert student. This is equal to d by dx of x square cos x minus d by dx of 2 to the power x tan x. uv. That there are two problems in this. So this is first function x square d by dx of second is cos x plus cos x into d by dx of x square. This is over. Now coming to the second, this first function 2 to the power x d by dx of tan x plus tan x d by dx of 2x. Now I have already discussed that d by dx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log a. So this will be helpful for this. This 2 to the power x will be done by this rule. So this is x square and cos x is minus sin x. The differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x, and x square is 2x. So bracket is closed. Minus 2 to the power x. Tan x is sec square x plus tan x, and 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x log 2. 2 to the power x log 2. So this is your answer. After that you are supposed to simplify at your own cost. And lastly, one more formula I would like to discuss for product of three functions d by dx of uvw. If there are three functions, you can do two fast. So this is d by dx of u plus d by dx of v plus d by dx of w. Now u, v, w are taken in differentiation. So remaining, excluding u, you are left with vw, and excluding v, you are left with uv, uw, and excluding w, you are left with uv. So in case of three functions, you can utilize this. Example, d by dx of x square sin x ex. Suppose you have to differentiate the triple product. So this is right, d by dx of x square. If x square is taken, sin x and ex will be outside. Sin x and ex will be outside, plus if d by dx of sin x is common, Then x square and ex will be outside. X square dot ex will be outside. And suppose d by dx of now ex plus d by dx of ex. If ex is common, you can take x square sin x out. After that, you can move sin x, ex, and differentiation of x square is 2x. So there are three terms. Remember this: plus x square ex, sin x is cos x, plus x square sin x, and ex is ex itself. So this is your final answer. You can take ex common, and you can simplify at your own cost. Thank you very much, students. This is the product 2C exercise finished. Wait for the other part and share among all those who are the students of class 11. Thank you.